Servus.
Buenos dias.
Good dog.
Hi.
Where are the baby goats?
We're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it. Made it! Yeah. Abuela! Oh my god, they're so far away. Ah, look! Vamos! See that? Help me! Yay! High five! Is it not Adidas? Cut it! Cut it out!
No, this is Brazilian. Keep it in.
is.
Keep it in.
This is not Adidas.
Under Armour, I know.
Adidas,
Help
good
me.
job.
Weight
Adidas,
vest.
Adidas, Adidas.
Humble,
No, no.
humble, humble.
Humble.
Vegetable pants.
All the gang going to Snapdragon to watch a wave game. They're playing against Portland. We're really excited. They got a Swedish player on there. That's why John is walking around with the Swedish flag.
starstruck.
That was perfect.
Yeah.
We had a whole conversation.
Yes. And she asked what are we doing here. We told
I was
her.
like, playing American football.
And she said,
I was like, I
you
don't
game.
know one of your games. And I was like, it's over. Next year.
No.
And we said, we're coming to the next game.
Yeah.
And she was like, are you going to be here? We're like, yes. We're finding a way to go there.
She'll look for you. You made a friend.
Yeah. Besties.
Whoa!
Why you always look so good with that head?
I'm just kidding. Airport life. We got all the goods.
We just tryna take flight, fuck a passport. In my bag, I ain't even pack a bag yet. Always spend too much money at the airport. I swear giving no fucks make you care more. Now all these birds flocking around me like a scarecrow. We on a race to the money going barefoot. You think I'm about to take a water break? Hell no. Need a new balance, I'm sliding right out the Velcro. Tread like
We're on the flight to Oregon. It is Friday. We're arriving at like 3-something. It's a 2-hour flight, but it feels like forever. I'm so bored.
Yeah.
So bored. We're about to start fighting in the aisle just to have something to do.
Yeah.
You know? Sure. Oklahoma. This is our view right now. Clouds.
hit up my apartment. No, she ain't religious, but the body God sent. Only 5 minutes in, but you in my top 10. Yeah, this food for thought. It's a lot to digest. Better take your time with it, baby. It's a process. I know every damn day is so full of the stress, but you make me feel good. I don't want to. Yeah,
Let's play some football, gentlemen.
let's go. We just gotta go hard.
Sit back and enjoy here. Glad they're with you. Gentlemen, take it away. Ooh, hello.
They're going to have to punt this one away here. And this one's blocked. Scooped up on the run. Kylie O'Connor takes her down at the 2. Ninja Martin goes in on the quarterback sneak. Direct snap to
That was interesting.
Melina Malaxos. But Brittany Lucane has it scouted perfectly. Here comes the pressure. And they're going to take her down in the backfield. Trainer is not going to escape from Angela Mims.
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, Martin looking on the slant. Caught. Here's the handoff. Malaxos outruns everybody to the edge. And now on the counter, Gutierrez has it, and she's going to score. She's down the sideline, 5 and in, and wow.
Kick is good. It makes it 15-0 San Diego. And she's about to pick this
And she's going to go to the house.
for a 21-0 San Diego lead. Roaming all over. There's a backside run through.
What a block by Lucane, and here comes Roberson.
Oh,
Oh
what a-
my goodness. Lucane, is Lucane still out blocking?
Yes. And they're going to run outside zone. And Gutierrez is going to turn the corner.
Here comes Martin taking a deep shot down the sideline.
Got
She's
her.
got Roberson. She's got 30,
Wow.
20, 10, and just like that.
Nope.
Rolling and unable to get away. They're going to get it to her down the middle of the field.
Run outside zone and let her just cut it for a touchdown.
Gentlemen, we're going to go ahead to the halftime.
Or if you're Adriana Gutierrez, just use your speed to outrun everybody.
No,
Oh, no.
Martin kept it with a stiff arm.
This is a pass, though, and it's Gutierrez. And she's going to get taken down right around the line of scrimmage. Joanna Aspenberg. Lidden go, Sweden. Here
Nice
goes
job.
Malaxos.
Big job right there by Malaxos, giving a little stutter step.
Trainer comes.
Oh, what a
Malaxos is in.
And they brought everybody.
And look who it is.
Just counted. I mean, they are.
She's got 10 yards in a.
And there's the bubble out to Gutierrez. Who
She's
runs
just
to the
going to
corner
use speed.
and scores.
And the kick is good.
Drinking at the bottle, not thinking about tomorrow. Don't worry, that's a motto. So we keep moving along. Ooh, driving down the Cabo in the sunburned El Dorado. Don't worry, that's a motto. So we keep moving along.
Go for it, Melina! Look how flat country Mexican is keeping up. So awesome. And of course our Sweden player with no weight issues at all. So speeding through here.
The wild Swede in her natural habitat.
Yeah, as expected.
Vamos, vamos. Come on. Yeah. Yes. Sweden is winning.
Yeah, Sweden!
She's not
Sweden.
waiting.
Yeah, okay. You want to win this? Do you need to hips today also? You need to go to the chiropractor.
I win.
Vamos!
Vamos!
¡Vamos! ¡Agáchate! ¡Sí puedes!
Mexico.
Abajo.
That's cheating, okay? But we'll keep going. Okay. Push it. You can do it. Come on, you're from Sweden. Yeah, easy. Whoa, easy.
No, mommy.
Don't break your back, please. Your hip got dislocated. No, it's fine. Okay, me and Alex, vamos.
No! Thank you. Oh.
Floppadocious Rex.
Take a minute? Okay.
We're going to give him a moment. Just technically 90 seconds.
Yeah.
It's just a moment. Just a moment.
Did you have an AA battery?
I was expecting another bag.
I was expecting a bigger bag.